Hello everyone. This is a step-by-step guide to register for the DHA exam for doctors and nurses. Firstly, you have to check that you meet the eligibility requirements to take the exam, such as valid medical license in home country, certain number of years of work experience, meeting certain education requirements. Obtain necessary documents to apply for the exam like medical license, transcripts, and proof of work experience. Visit DHA website and create an account. Get your unique DHA identity number. Log into your account and navigate to exam registration page. Select the exam you wish to take, for example DHA exam for doctors or nurses. Follow prompts to complete application process, upload documents and pay exam fee. Wait for application to be reviewed and approved by the DHA. Schedule exam at time and location convenient for you. Prepare for the exam by reviewing exam content and format and any study materials provided by the DHA. On the day of the exam, arrive at the exam location on time with valid form of identification. Create your DHA unique ID by visiting the first link in the description. Visit the second link in the description to get registered for data flow process of educational and work documents verification. After you get your unique DHA identity number and your eligibility for DHA exam is successful, then you can go to Prometric website to reserve a place for your exam. Visit the third link in the description. The exam result will be displayed under your DHA website account profile.